Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing some chrome lists on my XC60. The list will run all the way down the door. They do come as standard in the inscription models. My car is not an inscription, but I really do love the chrome that comes on the doors. So I went and bought myself these lists, and these do have a protective film on them. That's why they are kind of gray, and they do come in two pieces, one for the front door and one for the back door, and they will just glue on the car. So let's go ahead and install these chrome lists on the car. And before you do the install, make sure that you wash the car, or at least clean the area so that the glue can stick. Now the back door. And now I'll do the other side. And so this is how they turned out to be. So they are a bit too shiny, unlike the OEM ones, but they do look kind of nice on the car, and they do match quite nicely with these up front. And I will put the link in the description below if anyone is interested in those. And as always, if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe. Thanks.